Hey guys, how you doing? My name is Rich Guzman and welcome to Ace and Rich Freedom by Design. In today's video, I'm going to share with you how to make money with affiliate marketing even if you are a beginner, okay? Now, the first thing I want to share with you is I will be providing a live demo for you. So be sure to comment, like, and subscribe so you don't miss a beat when we go live and also when I keep providing this great content just for you, okay? So let's over to my screen over here and I'm going to go over to Power Relief System in the back office. This is a system that I use and I promote on a daily basis. And what's great about this is if you're brand new and you never sold anything online before, pretty much they have you all set, okay? So I'm gonna go over to where it says getting started, and you can see right here, it's called click the easy button. You know, I really like that because if I click on that, all I have to do is scroll down and choose one button and I have my link to promote automatically, okay? Just choose that, create, and there it is right there. And I have my funnel made for me instantly. Now, I don't know about you, but if you go out there on the internet and you try to get a page created that quickly, it's not happening. This page immediately, it took me a few seconds, and all you have to do is go out there and promote this link, and you can start making sales in affiliate marketing. It is that easy. Now, here's another criteria I look for when I'm looking for something that's, easy and for brand new people who have never done this before, okay? I'll go over to the training tab and I want to see what kind of training is available in the system so I could develop my skill sets. Very important that you invest in yourself and keep developing your skill sets so that way you can provide value and attract more people and bring them into a serious system like this, okay? So now I can actually go to these training modules, and let's say I want to go to Endless Free Leads Mobile. I can go in here and log in. Let's see, let me log in here. And as I'm logging in, I can learn this method on how to generate free leads with social media with this one training source, okay? Now, the next thing I could do is I could learn let's talk about Master Traffic Academy. We can learn more about traffic with this training system in the back office here. There's more. Let's go over to Master Traffic Institute. If you want to learn how to, advertise with magazine, advertise with YouTube, advertise with Facebook, solo ads, things like that. There's many different ways of driving traffic. You can learn it right here just by clicking on the training courses, okay? You have Traffic Generation 101, branding, content creation, mobile marketing, Facebook marketing, 8-figure direct mail recruiting secrets. Yes, that still works in the industry. And also Sales Cyclone with Jeff Mills. And not only that, look at this, guys. Solo ads, more video marketing, follow-up emails. That's all about building a list. But see, when you're getting started, guys, here's the deal. You don't want to bombard yourself with all that information. And this is the number one problem people deal with when they're trying to build a business on the internet. And all you have to do really is just get started. Just click that easy button, like I said, and start promoting. It's that simple, guys. That simple. Just grab that link, start promoting, and start building your business, okay? Don't get stuck in the hype. Don't get stuck in the overwhelm. All you have to do is find a system just like this, and you can get moving and start marketing within 24 hours. Now, if you get stuck and you're part of this system, let me know. And what I'll do is I will help you get marketing within 24 hours because, my friend, that is the goal for you to start having success on the internet as an affiliate marketer, especially if you are a beginner. So guys, thank you so much for stopping by this video today. I appreciate you. Be sure to click on the link below. That way you can get this free 7-day trial inside this system. It's absolutely free for 7 days. Get in, get inside, and shoot me a message, and let me help you get started so that way you don't get stuck and I can get your marketing within 24 hours, all right? My name is Rich Guzman, guys. Have a great day, and I'll see you on a new video very soon. Bye now.